Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Shri Gopal Joshi and I am from ASBL, one of the fastest growing real estate firm in the country. So we started in 2017 and till now we have 7 projects and we have sold more than 5,000 houses. So that means 5,000 plus families are happily living with ASBL. The main USP of our projects are like we just don't create like others are creating in the market. So we do a lot of surveys. For example, we have recently launched one project which is ASBL Broadway. We did 40 plus surveys, spoken to more than like 1,500 families and got their insights. And these insights have helped us that what people are actually looking to buy, because for us home is not just a concrete building. Home is something which is like where you have a lot of emotions. So we want to give you something which is giving a lot of pride. So you are not only living there, it's not only that your family is enjoying the time there and all your diverse needs are satisfied. We also want that if you are showing this to your any of relatives or your friends, you should feel that proud. Yes, this is something which belongs to me. So currently we have multiple projects. So out of 7 projects we have built so far, we have already let's say sold out 2 projects. Now there are 5 projects. One is in Pocharam, where 2 BHKs are available, ready to move in, 1210 square feet. And then we have Kukatpalli, one project where we have launched the last tower. So this week only, and this is one of the finest project where you can have luxury in very good pricing, plus tennis court, multiple other amenities there at Y Junction. The project name is Landmark, which what you can see behind me. Then we have 3 star projects in Financial District. One is ASBL Spectra. Another one we have is ASBL Broadway, which we have recently launched. And you must have seen one advertisement also that we sold 1,000 crore of inventory, that too in the launch day itself. Then we have one more project which is ASBL Loft, and we have come up uniquely this time, because if people think that we want to buy a house but a lot of inventory is available in under construction and you don't want to juggle between your home loan plus your already rents what you are paying in your rented accommodation, then this is the perfect fit for you. And anyone who is an investor and looking for rental income, so ASBL Loft at Financial District is offering you 85,000 rupees rental per month till December 2026. So please don't wait. Your project highlights. Highlights. USPs are project. So as I already told you that we not only just construct uh, basis that templated designs, we do a lot of surveys, and based on these surveys, we got to understand that what people are actually looking for. Just to give an example, let's say there are a lot of people, those who are saying that functionality is not really there in this space designing. So what we had done here in Loft, we have dedicated 2 floors of amenities. So whatever you need, for example, you are coming from office and you forgot something for dinner. So supermarket is just down at your let's say tower. So you can bring that. And if you are senior citizens, those who are alone at home and they are looking for some medical or something, so what will happen? You can buy like pharmacies there right in the tower. So you can buy any medicine anytime. Or if you have kids and you want them to drop to a daycare center, it is just below your tower. So all this functionality we look at, and we are providing modern amenities, modern architecture. For example, we are ASBL Broadway, where we have introduced curtain walls. So curtain walls, you will have ample lighting and a very good view. So that is going to give you luxury experience. So thank you so much, and please visit our stall and you can connect with us. Just log on to asbl.in. You will find all our project details there. Thank you.